Hi everybody, this video I'll be sharing with you guys my review on the Maison Kurkdijan Baccarat Rouge 540 hair mist. So if you guys are interested, do stick around. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina. I do product reviews on luxury beauty, skincare, and makeup. Occasionally I might share a luxury accessory review or a vlog here and there. So if you have not, please press the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So welcome back you guys. I am so happy to be back today. It's a beautiful day in Vancouver and it's actually sunnier than it's been usual. So today I'm going to share a fragrance review, which is a little far and in between in my channel, but I thought this was worth dedicating a video on. So I am speaking of nothing but the Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Kurkdijan. So this is not, I'm sure if you guys are in beauty, you've heard about Baccarat Rouge 540. I am not reviewing that because there are a million reviews out there, but I am rather reviewing the hair mist version of 540. So this is the packaging of the hair mist of Baccarat Rouge 540. Looks like your typical MFK kind of box packaging, nothing different about that. But the first thing you'll really see a difference of is the actual bottle itself. So this is still a glass bottle with a gold, beautiful quality cap. The biggest difference is obviously the labeling. So the Baccarat Rouge 540 is a red label entirely with gold lettering or gold font. This one is more of obviously a white backdrop with just red border and still the same gold font. So this one you get a 70 ml or 70 ml. The Baccarat Rouge 540 Eau de Parfum you can get in 70 ml or a 200 ml. I'm going to put the link down below. This one I purchased in the States through Nordstrom.com, but if you're in Canada, this is available at Holt Renfrew as well. I'll put both links down below. So I'm going to begin by sharing with you guys. You're probably wondering why I would purchase a hair mist. So there's two things. One is usually during the summertime. Honestly, I've done this with other fragrances before, specifically my diptyque perfumes. I would purchase a hair mist version just because it's a lighter version, and honestly during the summer, I like using a hair mist. So it kind of doubles as a hair mist and a fragrance for me as well because it gives me the same kind of scent. Like it doesn't really water it down, but it's a lighter version because it's meant to be worn for the hair. I hope that makes sense. So the biggest difference with this one, if you look at the website, this says that the hair mist is alcohol free. But when you look at the ingredient list on the box, there is still alcohol, but it seems like it is less concentrated with alcohol. Like it's somewhere lower in the ingredient list, I think. So if you haven't smelled Baccarat Rouge 540 at all, which I don't know why you wouldn't, this is, the fragrant notes are jasmine, saffron, ambergris, and what am I forgetting? Cedarwood. So it's described as a woody floral, but on the initial smell, you guys, you are not going to be met by a typical floral. This is almost a bit more on the woody side because of the amber as well and the cedarwood. So it comes out as a more masculine kind of floral if you ask me, but that's why this is also so popular. You can see the mist in that. The bottle is still amazing. The mist is still amazing. The way it spritzes, it is beautiful. So this one, like I said, is a woody floral. If you haven't smelled it, I highly recommend that you smell it. Now, what makes this really unique, I think, is the longer that you wear it. It just, there is a way that it sits on the skin so beautifully. And I'm speaking both for the Eau de Parfum and the hair mist. So I would usually like just spritz some in my hair, but honestly, I would also spritz some on my neck. And at first, when I first used it and got it, you guys, I thought, oh my god, it doesn't last long, but boy was I wrong. So initially I thought it didn't last long, but that was just because I couldn't smell it anymore. But when I removed my clothing from that day, you guys, I am not even kidding. I think I had a blazer on, and when I hung it up, or I think my denim jacket, I could smell it the next day. So that was something that was really unique to me with this one. And I think with even the Eau de Parfum, I think after you wear it for a while, people just don't, if you're the one wearing it, you just don't smell it on yourself anymore, but everybody around you smells it. And that's when I realized that the longevity or the sillage of this is just as good as the Eau de Parfum. I think. I mean, obviously not as good. I'm pretty sure that one has a bit more intensity to it, but this really impressed me with how long it lasted on my skin. Yeah, particularly on my skin. I don't know about my hair, but on my skin, it just lasted a whole day. And you honestly don't need a lot, which is rare because I've had some hair mist from other brands where it seemed like after a while I just needed to respray, but this one, honestly, it stayed the whole day. So this one has less alcohol content, I think, and one of the ingredient list, one of the higher ingredients was castor oil, so it's actually more oil intense, which is kind of weird because that means it's just gonna last longer on your skin or your hair, but maybe that's why the longevity of it all. But I highly recommend this. Even if you have the Eau de Parfum, I think this is such a good addition to anyone's collection, especially for summer. If you just want a lighter version of it, it's not exactly lighter, but just a less intense version. And because it doubles as a hair mist, even on the hair, like, it just leaves a trail of 540, and it's just gorgeous. I think 540 you can layer with other things as well. So if you want to do something like that, or you're into layering scents or fragrances, I would recommend getting the hair mist. It's beautiful. It lasts just as long, maybe less intense, but still beautiful, and exactly the same fragrance profile as the Eau de Parfum. So that is it, you guys. I hope you found this little review of the hair mist of Baccarat Rouge 540 interesting. And also I thought I would make one because for people out there that was that probably are curious with this product, because everybody just talks about the Eau de Parfum. So that is it, you guys. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.